Alright, a part of your course is you need to know how to do screen recording, okay? So, you're gonna go to your My MCC, yeah? What you're gonna do today in our lesson is you will do screen recording about 30 minutes, okay, of what you are building. If you cannot finish in 30 minutes, depends on how long it takes for you to develop a part, okay? So if you're in chapter 2, um, for standard rate we are building gear shaft, okay, this week. So today is a gear shaft. If you are in chapter 3, then you're going to show me what you're building during the class, right, time, by doing a screen recording. Okay, so the screen recording, you can go to my MCC, okay, and you'll go right here. Office 365 is free for you with your technology, yeah, tuition fee. And you would go to right here where all the apps are, yeah, and you can just click on it, or you can be able to just choose, right, stream, okay, app here. So this is where you can do the screen recording for free in our organization. So when you get that, you're gonna see right here, see, upload camera recording playlist and the video project. Of course, we have done several things right here. So anyway, so for this class, yeah, you will click on this. And so once you finish that, okay, you're gonna have something like that. Of course, you don't really need the camera, so I'm just to go ahead and start recording, okay. And you have three options right there. You can go the entire screen like this, or you can go just a window, or you can go, okay, a tab, okay, out of all the windows. So see, look at the, I have like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs, and I can choose one of them. Of course, a recording tab is not included here, so I have only four, yeah, listed here. So anyway, so let's just make it, probably I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this, our class, okay, which is this tab, yeah, so that's right here, yeah. But for you, it's got to be your application, okay, SolidWorks application or AutoCAD applications, because I have two application classes. So you are going to perform screen recording of your work, all right, for this week and next week, okay. So by doing this lesson exercise, we train you on how to do the screen recording of your work, yeah, especially when you're creating a drawing or a model, yeah. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and yeah, click this tab. Of course, and when you're working, this should have been your SolidWorks or AutoCAD application, okay, tap in there. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and click share, okay, and start a recording, yeah. And you can hear it go like beep beep beep, because we have okay, voice, right, is going on here. Sometimes you just want to go like a, silent this if you want to, yeah, you can also do that. So if I go like without audio, without camera, I'm just gonna go ahead and redo this again, yeah, and share. So see like how the screen recording is now going into it, okay. So once I, let's say, finish, yeah, screen recording all of this. So right now I'm doing this a window, yeah, the entire window, so I have access to all of my tabs here that I can be able to show you, okay. For you, okay, this window got to be your SolidWorks, okay. um okay, so once I finish it, all I have to do is to click on this stop sharing button, yeah. So now my video, okay, has been created here. So this is the screen recording that I have just did, okay. So that's about like a 25 seconds, yeah. Of course you can be able to edit it if you want to. So let's just go ahead and do finish, yeah. And you can download it directly, of course, or you can just float it here. But for this class, I just want you to float it here in stream, okay. And here we will have a different, okay, editing, all right. Setting is right here. You can trim it, you can put if you want to cut out some of the section, you can do that. So yeah, you can also add, okay, interactivity, so which is your this one we have only two allowed in this organization. So we have add form, all right, to get a survey and things like that, and then we have a call out, okay, to put some text that you want to talk to your audience, okay. So since I am your audience, and you can put a note if you want to tell me something, okay. And of course you can add any, okay, anywhere in, okay, in this video, okay. So that's your start and end, which is from here all the way to here, okay. And you can click any location, okay, during the video to be able to add, okay, any call out that you want to edit, okay. Right. I'm just gonna go ahead and see. So the text is now, it is, okay, right here at the end, okay, where I pin it. Of course, you don't have to put it at the end. You can put it at the top or here. Yeah, you all have to just click it, and then you go add new. Yeah, you can add the form or you can add the call out. Okay, if you want to add the form, then you're going to put the form link, but the form is going to be right here, yeah, on the other side, and you can be able to choose the form, which is right here. Yeah, so anyways, right now you don't need the form. I'm just showing an extra, yeah, for you right now. Is if you have a call out here and you want to communicate with me and you want to put the interactivity inside of your, okay, inside of your drawing video, okay, or modeling video, then you can be able to do this here. Yeah, this is just a comment. If you want to put the comment, you can do that, and you can also put the analytics of who is, yeah, watching your stuff. Anyway, so that's with your video analytics and the interactivity analytics right there. But I am not going to, yes, make you do any of that. Okay, if you give me like a one text here that you want to say something to me or talk to me, and you can use this. Yeah. Anyway, so our main focus is to be able to make the screen, okay, recording, and to be able to copy, okay, this link. You can copy at current time or you can copy at just a regular time. Yeah. So once you finish it, okay, what you have to do is or you have to just copy it. Yeah. You are gonna share that to our team. Okay, so when you go back to your Microsoft 365, and then you're gonna go to your team, okay, and I have already developed a virtual communities, yeah, for you here on this team, and you will go to your class right there, yeah, 121 for this class. And if you're in AutoCAD, okay, class, that's going to be 101 right here. Yes, so it depends on your class to choose the right team. And what I want you to do is, see, there's an example here. I can delete that, okay, later. All you have to do is just start a post, okay, and then paste it, yeah, Control V, yeah, so that your video is gonna populate automatically. And then you're gonna put your, of course, name. I'm just gonna create a Jackson, and then, okay, so I'm just gonna make my project recordings of, okay, SolidWorks, okay, and then you're gonna write down your part name. So okay, so if you are on a gear shift, you're gonna write down that, okay. I should put the full name right here, yeah. So recording of SolidWorks, your software, and then what you're building, warm gear shaft. We're just pretending this is that, okay. Of course, I'm not going to record the entire, warm gear shaft building right there, okay. So then all you have to do is post it, okay. So it will go into our team, and I will be giving you your grade, okay, for that part, for your screen recording. Okay, so make sure you do that. If I don't see your name and your, yes, or your application, so we have only two applications that I am teaching for two classes. One of them is the SolidWorks, and if you're in SolidWorks class, so write down SolidWorks, and then what you are building, either chapter 2 or chapter, okay, chapter 3 parts got to be right in there, okay. Yes, and you have to do the entire part, yeah. So if you start with a warm gear shift, then you can go ahead and do how to build that. If you are doing, okay, If you're doing the chapter 3, then show me how you build your curve or a spring or okay, the threading or something. Yeah. So but make sure that it's not recorded more than 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours is too long. So our classes are like a 1 hour and 45 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour and 50 minutes for the lab. Okay, so make sure that you yes, don't worry about mistake. Okay, you're sometimes you may be making mistake inside of your video, and don't worry about it. Okay, let it be. I just want you to practice. Okay, be comfortable of being screen recorded while you are building your model. Okay, so make sure you do that and put it in. I am not going to watch the entire thing. Okay, I'm just gonna start, like running, yeah, from the beginning, and then I'm just gonna go all the way to the end. I would just like rent it like a couple of second here, and then I'm gonna go all the way down a couple of seconds there, yeah, and then I'm gonna of course I'll look for if you add a call out or not for the activity in your video. Okay, so these are the grading points, yeah, for me on for your screen recording assignment. Okay, anyway, so that's it for today's lesson, and you have to complete it, yes, in class. So we have about 1 hour and 45 minutes, yeah, to do that. If you need help, yeah, just let me know, and I will I'll come and help you at your station. Okay, yeah, that's it.